Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. Hope you all are doing well. Welcome to my channel Creative World by Abial. Today's lecture will cover three most frequently used count formulas: count, count A, and count if. It will be the third lecture on Microsoft Excel. In the first lecture, we have discussed some basics about Excel, and that video was for the beginners who don't know about Excel. In the second video, we have covered some advanced formulas like sum if, sum ifs, and sum product. And now in this video, we will cover count, count A, and count blank. And in the next video, we will cover count if and count ifs. So if you haven't taken my previous two lectures, then go ahead and find those, and I will put their links in the description box so you can navigate from there. And then after taking those first two lectures, you can continue from this lecture. So if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed it yet, then go ahead and subscribe, press the red subscribe button, and along with that press bell as well to get the notification of all my new videos. So let's start today's third lecture on Excel. So we have covered these four formulas in the previous lecture, so we will hide these sheets, and then we will continue from the count formula. So basically what count does is count formula only counts the number of cells in a range that contain numbers. So this formula works on numbers, not on a text data or any other data type of the data. So if you have to find a number of you have to count the number of cells in which numbers are there, so you can use this formula. Like in this data set, as I have mentioned, names, item numbers, and their colors. So if I want to count a number of items here, then I can use a count formula. So I will write is equals to and then count. As you can see here, it defines the count formula. It counts the number of the cells in a range that contain numbers. So it will only work on numbers, not on any text data. So I will press tab and then I will give my range. So this is my range, and it contains only numbers, so it will return me only the count of cells in which there are numbers available. So I will close the parentheses and hit the enter button, and I will get the result. It says that there are 7 cells in which the number in which numbers are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 cells have numbers in it, and it has ignored number of blanks. So if I will drag this formula, and it will be moved to the colors column. So it has returned us 0. It means that as I have said earlier, that count formula only works on numbers. It only counts the number of cells in which numbers are there. So as this data is in the general form, so it hasn't count the number of cells. It returns 0 because none of the columns has numbers in it. So it's I think now it's more clear that count works on number data only, and it only counts the number of cells in which number is there. So let's move on to the next formula, that is count A. And what count A does is it only counts the number of cells in the range that are not empty. So not empty, it is not restricted to the numbers data type only. It counts number of cells from the range that are not empty. It works on any data type that you want. So we will write is equals to count A, and I will press tab, and then I can apply it on any cell like this. It will return me the number of non-empty sets. So there are 8 non-empty cells, so it has returned me 8. And same goes for the number, and same goes for the again textual data. Like you can see here, it has worked on the numbers as well, and it has returned me 7. It means there are 7 columns that have data in it. Data can be of any type, so same goes for the color, and there are only 5 colors mentioned over here, so it has returned me 5. So count A formula works on every data type, and it returns a number of नॉन-एम्पटी सेल्स, सो नॉट एम्पटी सेल्स का काउंट ये आपको प्रोवाइड कर देगा. So moving on to the next formula, which is count blank. And count blank, what count blank does is it counts the number of the empty cells in a specified range. So if you give this range, then it will count the number of empty cells. So count A and count blank are opposite to each other. They complement each other. Like we will write count blank. I will hit tab button, and then here I can give range, and it will return me the number of blank cells. As you can see here in this range, I have only one blank cell, so it will return me only one. So same goes for the next column in which items are mentioned. There are only two cells which are empty, so it has returned me number 2. So same goes for the color, and in the color range, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, cells that are blank, so it has returned us 4. So these count A and count blank are complement of each other, are opposite to each other. Count A counts number of non-empty cells, while count blank counts number of blank cells. Both of these formulas works on any data type, but count formula works only on number data. And if you apply this count formula on any textual data or any other type, then it will return you 0. So count A and count does works on the other data types as well. So in hope you guys are getting these formulas, and you can apply this on your day-to-day analysis. So till then, till then. So uh, Till now we have covered 3 formulas of count, count A, count blank, and in the next video we will cover count if and count is. Till then, Allah Hafiz, bye bye.